Hello everyone, welcome back students. In the last class, we have completed exercise 1.2 of your first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. And today we are going to start with a new topic, that is estimation. Students, you may have not heard about this word estimation. Now, first we'll learn what do you mean by estimation, then we'll see how to solve the problems based on estimation. What do you mean by estimation? So here you can see something I have wrote in the bracket. What is that? It is rounding off. So estimation is nothing but it is rounding off. For example, I'll give you one example. Think you go to a shop and you buy something and the cost of that thing that you have bought is about 490 rupees, or you can say it is 495 rupees. Then what are you going to do? How many rupees you are going to give to the shopkeeper? I guess you will definitely give 500 rupees note. Yes or no, students? Why you selected 500 rupees note and why you didn't give 400 rupees note? Because it is very easy. You thought 495 is very close to 500. So you round it up. You made it round up and you just gave 500 rupees. Yes or no? So that is estimation. Estimation is nothing but rounding off nearest to the value. So here they may ask you questions, round up the number to tens place, round up the numbers to hundreds, round up the numbers to 1000, 10,000 and so on. For this we have particular steps. So if you follow the particular steps, very difficult numbers, even if the large number rounding up an estimation, you can do it very easily. So one by one we will do it and then you can understand the concept and then you can solve the questions also very easily. So students, first let me explain you more about estimation or rounding up by giving you one more example. So let's suppose you have a number called as 348. So you know the place values very well. Yes or no, students? So place values we are studying since our first standard. Place values. So this is ones place, this is tens place and this is hundreds place. Okay. So my question is you have to round up this number to tens place. To tens place. So this is the question. Round up the given number to tens place. How are you going to round it up? So what are you going to do? Here I can see in tens place which number is there. So I will make it out that first. I can see in tens place which number is there? 4. So I will make two parts for this. Either I have to round up this 4 to 4's place or one ahead, that is 5's place. This tens place should change to 4. It should be as it is as 4 or it should change to 5. How are we going to change this tens place? So for this you have to just observe the next place. Which place they have asked? Tens place. So after tens place, which place is coming? Which number is coming? So that you have to check. So here I can see 8 is coming. So student, listen to me properly. If I check this number, if this next number is less than 5, is less than 5, means if it is 0, if it is 1, if it is 2, if it is 3 or if it is 4, not 5. If it is less than 5, then you have to go for 4. Okay. And if the number is 5 or greater than 5, what I said? If the next number is 5 or greater than 5, in such case, what you are going to do? You have to round up the number by 5. So let's do it. So here I can see 8. 8 is greater than 5. So the previous number I am going to make it as 5. So after rounding up this number, my number will become as 3. As 8 is greater than 5, I will make this 4 as 5 and remaining whatever numbers are there, you should make it as 0. So if I round up this number, so you can think it's a very simple example, students. 348 is near to, yes, it is near to 315. So we got the answer by doing it systematic way also. So if you guess, it's going to be very easy in small cases. But if the numbers are large, you have to just follow this concept. So one example about the big number I will give. So let's suppose we will take an equation as 5, 3, 6, 7, 8. My question is, round up this number to thousands place. What you have to do? You have to round up this number to thousands place. So first one thing you have to do, you have to spot out which is the thousands place. So let us spot out thousands place. This is 1, tens, 100 and 1000. Yes, I got the place thousands. So who is there in thousands place? It is 3. So either this number will remain as 3 only, or this number will become as 4. Who will decide? Who is going to decide? The next number to 3. That number is going to decide whether the 3's place will be as 3 only, or it will change to 4. So I told you how to decide it. So next number, if it is greater than 5, you have to go for the 4. If it is less than 5, you have to be with 3 only. So here I can see 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So what are you going to do? I am going to write this 5 as it is first, and since I am changing this place, and this will become 4, and remaining all numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All numbers will become 0. Isn't it very easy? So if you follow the steps properly, very big numbers also you can solve it easily. Is it clear, students? So this is all about estimation. So let's take one more big number as example so that you can be more familiar with estimation. Let's understand the concept more by taking one more big example. So here the question is, round up this given number nearest to 1 lakh. So first what are you going to do? You have to find out which is in place of 1 lakh. So for that you should know place values, and here 0 is in my ones place, 2 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 2 is in lakhs place. So I got which is the number in lakhs place. What are you going to do next? So next you are going to find out the two divisions. So this number will become, it will be as it is with 2, or this number will change to 3. Now who is going to decide that this number will be 2 only, or it will change to 3? So my next number is going to decide it. So what is the next number? I can see the next number is 5, and I told you if the number is less than 5, only less than 5. If the number is less than 5, you will be with that place number only. You will be with 2 only. If the next number is 5 or greater than 5, it should be exactly 5 or it should be greater than 5. Then we are going to move for the next number, that is 3. So here I can see the number is exactly 5. So for this, what is going to be my answer? Previous number I am going to write as it is, that is 3. Since the next number is 5, we are going to change that number, the lakhs place to 3. Okay, it will become 3. And all remaining numbers will become 0. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my answer. So if I want to change this number, or if I want to round up this number to lakhs place, if you follow the steps properly, then you can get this answer. Is it clear, students? So the answer is 33 lakhs. Students, this is the question which is given to us. So this is a large number. This is a large number, and we have to round up this large number nearest to 10,000 place. Nearest to 10,000 place. So first, what are you going to do? First, one thing you are going to do, you have to find out which is in the 10,000 place. For that, you should know, yes, you should know place values very well. So this is my ones place, this is my tens place, this is 100, this is 1000, and this is 10,000. This is 10,000. So let us do the next step. And once I got 10,000's place, what I am going to do? Either this place will become 3 or this number will become 4. After 3, 4 is coming. So either this number will be 3, it will remain as it is, or it will become 4. So now who is going to decide? Yes, next number is going to decide. So which is the next number? So next number is 4, and 4 is yes, it is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, we are going to remain with 3 only. So my answer will become as 8, 7. Before numbers, whatever are there, you should not change. You should write them as it is. So now, as the next number is less than 5, 3 will be in the 3's place as it is only. And remaining all numbers, they are going to be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is all about estimation. Students, estimation problems are very easy. So step by step, if you do it, they are very easy. So once again, I will repeat what you are going to do. So if they ask you about round up to nearest to tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakh place, 10 lakh place, and so on, any big digits, if they ask you to round it up, so what are you going to do? First, one thing you are going to do, you have to spot out that place. So in that place, which number is there? So next step, you are going to write 2 numbers from that. That number itself or one number ahead. Okay. Are you going to keep that number as it is, or you are going one step ahead? Who will decide? My next number will decide. How to decide? If the next number is less than 5, we have to be with that number only. We have to be with that place number only. If the next number is greater than 5, we are going to jump for the next number. And while writing, how we are going to write? Before numbers, we are going to write as they are. That place, if it is changed, we will change it, or we will keep it as it is, and all the numbers remaining will become 0. So this is all about estimation, how to estimate the given numbers. Is it clear, students? So observe the video properly, understand the concept. If you have any doubts, you can freely ask me anytime. I am ready to explain you once again. Till then, take care. Bye.